Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited. So a couple things for you to know. Clearly this is not the usual background I have going on. We have a power outage where we are. And so you might hear the hum of my generator going, which is how I'm powering my light. I'm giving my phone sips. I don't even have Wi-Fi. I'm a pioneer. So I was thinking to myself, well, I could do some painting without power. So I thought I'd unbox this Shimmerz paints kit. It is so freaking cute and I want to paint all of the things. So we're gonna jump into it. Let me show you, I have got the color kits, the paper kits, as well as the bonus bundle. I do not have the cut file cut because I'm not powering my Cricut right now with the generator. So that'll come later, but in the meantime, I want to hop right into this. So let me show you the color kits. I just went ahead and swatched them and I love, guys, look at, so yeah, some of it's still drying, but look at this palette. So you might be able to tell that we are going into a festive, sweet, cute Halloween time, and I love what we have. So our first color, it is a creamies and it's called Dandelion. Now the creamies and the inklings I'm going to show you, you have to go ahead and give it a nice little spritzeroo of water and then they're activated. So just think about exactly how you treat a watercolor. But guys, look at this color. So it's called Dandelion. So that's our first one. Now I'm not fully capping it because I like these to dry overnight. I just want to show you the what's what. Okay, the next one I have, it is in the color Celery, and it's a Shimmerz. And a Shimmerz comes with the liquid goodies already in it, so you are good to go. You get a thicker consistency, and I'm telling you, when you do splatty bits with it, it gives you a little texture, and I love that. The next one I have, it is called Sunkissed. And guys, it's like the color almost of cantaloupe to me. So gorgeous color. I'm really starting to come up with some fun ideas with that. And then Villainous Violet. Now it's almost hard to see the color here because it's so incredibly deep. You can get inklings of it. Well, actually inklings are, you can get the vibe, but there it is, drying as well as wet. So it is like straight on, like pigmented, deeply saturated. And then the last color, it is called Jack-O-Lantern and it's a Vibes. So super pigmented, like orangey orange, the orangiest of oranges. Perfect. Now I think I'm gonna pop really quickly right into the bonus bundle because I want you to see our last color as well as the sequins mix. So the last color is the one here on the bottom in its own special little box. It is called I Love You Onyxly. And y'all, it's an inklings, which means, do you guys see where it's drying? You have got such a sparkly, wonderful punch with it. So in inklings, once again, you add some water, you activate it, and you are ready to go. And when I say activate it, like straight up, you're looking at 30 seconds maybe? Okay, and then the sequins mix that comes with the bonus bundle, ooh, that is no to the bueno, that bright spot. The sequins mix, look at it. There's ghosties and witches. I see a jack-o'-lantern, but I always like to put it onto the tray. My fancy little like diamond painting trays. Yes, I'm so fancy. But y'all, look at, there is like glittery looking sequins in, it's kind of like the Villainous Violet. We've got orangey, blue stars going, yellow bits. It's pretty hilarious. So that is awesome. Great. So that's our bonus bundle. Now let's jump into the paper kits. And that's what I had to do this unboxing, you know, pretty much halfway in the dark because I want to start doing some of the painting and I zone when I do this painting. And what I mean is you guys, I get into it. So I'll end up separating out like all the things that I want to paint first, and not my backgrounds per se, but all the things that I want to paint first. And I will just take my time. And since we don't have electricity, this is going to be my pioneer moment. All right, let me put the pretties aside. Let me rephrase that, the embellishments aside, the little goodies, and we will get right into these kits. So you see this one first. I'm trying to see how to do this since I don't do it in my kitchen. Okay, our very first piece, we have, it is, you know, bright white core background with limey green dots. And I think it is super fun, but it's also versatile. Like I could totally see this in a spring layout. So that's super fun. And then the flip side, oh my word, the Batty Bats. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at this going, I want to fussy cut some of them. Okay, we're not going to get into the design thing, but I would love to cut some of these out if they're not in our embellishment kit. I think they're hilarious. And you guys see, it almost looks embossed on this one. That's kind of cool. Maybe because it's the black, it's really being reflective. So that's, oh, that's hilarious. All right, so there's our first one. And then our next one, oh fun. We have got candy corn on a black background. So you guys, I do like candy corn. I'm one of those people. And I grew up where you eat the one little color, then the next and the next, it all tastes the same. Does not matter. Super cute and vibrant. This would be so great to use as a mat. Oh, and then the flip side, guys, it's sunflowers. Oh my gosh, I have so many sunflower pictures. Great background, because once again, guys, I'm gonna see what the vibe is, but so far we have like a Halloween side and then like a little bit more of a versatile side. So I'm gonna do Halloween up first and we're gonna see where this goes. Okay, pumpkin orange background with these Spideys. Look at the spider's eyes. I love him. And yes, I've decided his name is Simon the Spider and I'm a dork. Okay, super cute. Love the look of this Spidey. And then the flip side, okay, once again, this is like that villainous violet, but you can use it anywhere. I could totally use that with my Lavender Fields pictures. Interesting. Okay. Next, okay, easy peasy. So bright white background with just black and orange skinny little stripes. And then the flip side, okay, I love the vibe that they did. All kinds of leafy bits. Guys, you know you can use this here, there, and everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have all the Halloween sides up and then I'm gonna flip it and we're gonna see what the kit looks like as a whole on the flip side. Because that's fun. Why not? It's like two kits in one. So the next one, here we have our villainous purple vibe with little Batty Bats. And these little Batty Bats totally look like the bats in our in our sequin mix. So guys, I'm gonna have so much fun. I already have this photo in mind for the Halloween side. And guys, Halloween has long been my favorite holiday. I think it is just fun. Okay, the flip side is just like a nice chartreusey limey green, kind of a gingham. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, our next side, our next piece, it's an orange background, black dot, super easy to use, guys. A dot is, I mean, really, it's a stripe, a dot, yes, please. Oh, and we have checks. So they're like checking my boxes here. Oh my, to the Lanta. Okay. So this is one of the pieces like I was talking about, oh my word, because I like both, that I will go ahead and put to the side right now because I'm gonna go ahead and gesso it, clear gesso it, let it dry and get my paint on. I think it is stunning. And we have colors that don't have to go full Halloween. Look at those first three colors I have. That's just like autumn goodness. So to me, they did the same thing. Rather Halloween and autumn. Cute. Okay, next. Okay, a bolder black and orange stripe. Of course, that nice white core that I like so much. Perfect. Oh, oh, yep. All right, same thing again. I need to gesso that like meow. Really nice, gorgeous fall background. I think that is stunning. Oh, sorry guys. Our next piece. Oh, how cute, guys. Look at the pieces you can fussy cut. We have got little Frankenstein, a cute little mummy, black cats. Oh my gosh, look at Skelly. Funny little Spidey. Look at the look. Oh my gosh, absolutely adorable. That is adorable. And then the flip side, another, oh, I have a picture for this too. It's so funny that I'm seeing the pictures already that are perfect for this in my head. We've got this gorgeous scarecrow, some hay bales, a pumpkin. Now up here, so this to me is just, you know, straight up autumn, but then we've got a spooky, spooky little spider. How cute. And I could paint him that villainous purple and that web would be adorable. So yeah, once again, so stinking versatile. No, I know that's so bright, I'm sorry. And then our last piece of paper, it is a nice pumpkin orange with little ghosties every which way. And then the flip side, oh, how cute. Spider webs everywhere with this like little spider doing her best to make her web. So cute. Okay, so this is the only one that I'll definitively say, hey, unless like you take a picture of a spider web whenever, that is straight up Halloween. That's my opinion though. Okay, so let's say we have this kit, right? Let me flip. You guys, look at it. Now this one had that really cute little scarecrow. So then this to me just becomes a gorgeous autumn kit if I do that. Clever, 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 clever. Okay, goodies. Let's get into the extra goodies. So here's a coloring. I call it a coloring sheet, but you know, it's just black and white. You can cut it out black and white. You can paint it, you do you. But look at, we've got a Frankenstein. There's our mummy, a sweet little witch, jack-o'-lanterns, ooh, a cauldron, a haunted house. Look at this little one, a jack-o'-lantern with a little kitty. But we've got a balloon. Ooh, boo. Oh, that would be really cute with this layout I have in mind. But then this one is autumn. We've got autumn leaves and we've got lollipops, another balloon. So this is also letting us go in a couple directions. Y'all, I don't know which one of our fearless leaders designed this, but I think it was very clever. Okay, next one, we've got our stickers and we've got Creeping It Real, Spooky Vibes, a jack-o'-lantern, beautiful. Little journaling spots and a couple little extras. Hey, boo. Okay. Oh, we've got our dots. A cute little Spidey. Cute and creepy and a very nice looking lollipop. Cute. And then our ephemera. Ooh, we'll be able to see it well on this. Let's see what we have. I love that these are all cut out for us. I mean, I would need the ones that I'm going to paint myself on that sheet because they stay down better. And I'll actually probably be painting them on top of a, like a Cricut mat because it stays flatter when it dries. Never mind. Eek. Cute little Spidey. She's cute. Oh, look at all those eyeballs. We've got some candy corns. Cute little leafy bits. Cute. Oh, a little ghosty. So spooky. Couple of little tiny stars. They are cute. Some jack-o'-lanterns. And they're so happy. Aren't they happy? Oh, a funny little coffin. Ooh, a caramel apple with sprinkles. Yes, please. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's cool looking. Let me separate it because I've got this purple behind it. Look at this spooky tree. Happy Halloween. Oh, a werewolf. We've got a werewolf. A little skeleton. Oh, he's got a candy corn and it looks all funny. Okay, we've got a little skelly. Cute. Trick or treat. So I like that we have some title bits. That's nice. Another star. We have our little star area. Candy corns. Oh, our Frankenstein. Another leafy bit. Oh, there's a star and it says Professional Candy Collector. We've got some fun little candies in Halloween colors. A nice spooky little Halloween house. Oh, a vampire. An eyeball. Jack-o'-lantern. We have got a nice little batty bat. A moon. Like the color is so off with this weird bright light. There we go. We have got a cauldron. Oh, a witch's hat. A little cute witch girl. We have a nice little spider web. Oh, a little pumpkin. A witch hat and broom. A cute little ghosty. R.I.P. We have a tombstone. Ooh, potions. Our cute little kitty cat. Oh, look at little candies. An owl. Look at how wise. Ooh, little vampire teeth. And boo. So super, super cute. So I've got all of these goodies, and literally this is the first thing I do. I do my unboxing with you guys because, you know, we do that. And then I'm gonna go through and figure out all of the things that I wanna paint. Oh, cute little guys. So I'm gonna be painting these pieces. So I'm gonna put that aside. And let's see. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, so I don't have to paint these guys. I mean, I'm gonna do stuff with them. Now this one is stunning, stunning, stunning. I wanna paint so many things, but I wanna leave some black and white for a nice punch. I'm gonna definitely paint all of these. Oh, must paint that. And then this, I don't have to paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit all of them with clear gesso, and then I'm gonna get my paint on. So you guys will see me start doing that in my first layout video for October 2024. All the links down below for you guys to get your hands on these goodies, and I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.